Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of advertising online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as the HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my SY student participants for the advertising online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the chapter 3 under the advertising, economic and social aspect of advertising. And today, we are going to deal with the question impact of advertising on production cost with illustration. Now look at the student. As per the our accountancy syllabus, we know very well about the final account. Under the final account, we have seen trading account, profit and loss account, the balance sheet, and we have known about that the effect of the advertising. Advertising is always shown on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Therefore, advertising is a part of selling and distribution. Now, here is a question about the impact of advertising on production and distribution costs. Now, look at the here. The cost of production is consists of the three basic costs. First one is a material cost, the labor cost, overhead cost. Just you can see the trading account, the debit side, whatever we are going to write that one. Basically, production cost, that is consists of the material cost, labor cost, overhead cost. As I mentioned earlier, advertising is a part of the profit and loss account, is a part of the selling and distribution. Therefore, advertising is a selling and distribution cost, and it does not form a part of production cost, such as it will not add it to the cost of production, and hence it will never increase the cost of production. The clear cut information is given as per the accountancy principle. Advertising is a part of selling and distribution. It does not directly add to the production cost, therefore it does not have that kind of the direct impact, but there is a indirect impact, reduce the cost of production. Now under the cost of production, yeah, we can say post of production cost. These are the basically three price are consist here. First one is a cost, material cost, second is a labor cost, and third one is a overhead cost. Now look at here. However, advertising may indirectly reduce or bring down the cost of production per unit produced. Today we are going to see with the help of the advertising, the firm is operating in the maximum optimum level. Due to the advertising, the higher demand create in the market, higher demand increase the production activity. Therefore, we can say economic large scale of the production may reduce the price from per unit produced. Today we are going to see, and with the help of the illustration we are going to explain also. This is possible provided advertising generate demand up to the firm optimum production capacity. The effect of advertising on production cost is illustrated as follow. Now look at the here. Trading, as I mentioned, that trading account, manufacturing account, production account, both these three are the similar. Profit and loss account, advertising is a part of the profit and loss account, having the direct impact on the profit and loss account and indirect impact on the production account. Now look at the here. Now some of the assumption before we are going to do that experiment, or we are going to explain our point. The optimum production capacity of the firm is 100 unit in a given period. I would like to explain with the one of the example, and for the example we have taken this certain kind of the assumption. The optimum production capacity of the firm is a 10,000 unit in a given period. Before advertising, the business firm is in position to get order only 5,000 unit, that is the 50% of its optimum production capacity. By spending rupees 1,000 on advertising, the firm is in position to generate higher demand for its optimum production, that is 10,000 unit. Third one, the material and the labor cost saving after advertising is to the economic of large scale of production. And the fourth one, overhead costs remain the same up to optimum production. Now look at the students here. I would like to mention here. Here is the sum of the assumption we are going to assume that one. The first one is that the optimum capacity of the 10,000 unit. The before the advertising, the firm operated at the 50% only, the 5,000 unit, and by spending the 1,000 rupee on advertising, the firm in generate to demand for optimum level that 10,000 unit, and the material cost and the labor costs are increased but not that proportionate as per the increase the production capacity. Overhead costs remain are the same up to the optimum production level. Now we are going to see one by one, and with the help of the example we are going to illustrate here. Now this is the assumption I mentioned that one. Before the advertising, the capacity of the firm 50%. After the advertising, we have the capacity 100%. Material and the labor costs are increased, but not the same proportionate increase. The unit of produce increase. The unit of produce increase 50% to 100%. We can say the double capacity, but what are the remaining expenses? They are not increases up to the double as per the 100% capacity. Overhead costs are remain the same irrespective of increase in the unit of increase. Now look at the here. Now I would like to explain with the help of the this one of the illustration. Now the first column, second column, and the third column. Student, look at the here one by one. The first column we can say unit produce. Before advertising, the business firm in a position to operate at the 50%, the 5,000. Now look at the here advertising expenses. Before advertising nil, hereby introducing the 1,000 advertising, the business firm is able to operate at the optimum level, that is a 10,000 unit produced. Then we can say double unit production we can do only with the help of the advertising expenses of the 1,000 rupees. And students, look at the here, I have put the star here. The star indicate that I have given the explanation. Advertising expenses not to be added to the production cost at the time of the making the tally from the last corner, the last column. We are not supposed to take the advertising expenses as per the accountancy rule. We know very well about that one. Advertising expenses is a part of the selling and distribution cost. Now look at the year material cost. In early stage before advertising 2,500, labor cost 1,500, overhead cost 1,000, the total cost of production 5,000, and the total unit produce is a 5,000. Then we know very well about the per unit cost. We can go for that one. Total cost divided by the unit produced, then we can get the per unit cost 1 rupees. Then we can say under this column before advertising, the firm is operating, firm is doing the business, doing the production up to the 5,000, and the per unit cost is a 1,000. But under the second scenario, the last column we are going to see here, after introduction of the 1,000 rupee advertising, the business firm is in position to operate at the optimum level, that's a 10,000 as per the assumption. Then you can see that one, the material cost increase 2,000 for here before advertising was 2,500, now it's a 4,500. Labor cost 1,500 before advertising, now it's a 2,500. Even also before advertising the overhead cost was 1,000, now it's a 1,000. Then we are going to make a calculation here. Then we are getting the total cost of production 8,000 and total unit produced 10,000. Then you know very well about the formula. Then total cost divided by total number of unit produced, total unit produced, then we are getting 8,000 divided by 10,000, then we are getting the 80 paisa. Then we can say with the help of this illustration, we can see in the first scenario 1 rupee per unit cost, but after the advertising we are getting the 80 paisa per unit cost. Then we can say introduction of advertising reduce the cost of the production per unit from 1 rupee to 80 paisa. How this is possible, I would like to give the details also. Now look at the here, the details is here. Material cost we save 500 rupees, labor cost we save 500 rupees, overhead cost we save 1,000 rupees. So advertising has indirect impact on production cost, which is the reduce the price from rupee 1 to 80 paisa. And you want also look at the students here, advertising expenses not to be added to the production cost. We are not supposed to add the advertising expenses 1,000 here because due to the principle of the accountancy. Now we are getting benefit. How can you get the benefit? Since now look at, since advertising is a part of the selling and distribution cost, it will naturally not added to the total selling and distribution here. However, advertising will reduce the cost of per unit distribute, provided the benefit of large scale of selling is more than the amount spent of advertising. The advertising can reduce the cost per unit. Now look at the here, I would like to give the exactly how the price reduced from 1 rupee to 80 paisa per unit produced. Now look at the here, under the case of the 5,000 unit and under the case of the 10,000 unit, here is unit increase in 100%, we can say double. But let us see student, material cost 2005, if the material cost increase as per the unit increase, it should be 5,000, but actually it increased 4,500. Therefore, we can get the advantages, save 500 rupees. Then we can say the labor cost. If the labor cost will increase as per the number of unit increase, then it will be 3,000, but actually it increase up to the 2,500. Then we can save the 500 rupees here. Even also the overhead costs remain are the same. If it increase as per the increase the unit produce double, it should be the double 2,000, but actually it increase up to the 1,000. Then we can say 1,000 here. At the end, we have saved material cost 500 rupees. We have saved labor cost up to the 500 rupees. Overhead cost we have said up to the 1,000 rupees. Then we can say we have saved actual 2,000 rupees. Therefore, we can say due to the introduction of advertising, large scale of the production per unit reduced from 1 rupee to 80 paisa. Per unit reduced from 1 rupee to 80 paisa. Thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.